Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please make sure you subscribe and Merry Christmas in advance. Have you ever think of having a glowing skin this Xmas? You know, for we that are in Nigeria, our skin normally gets cracked during Harmattan season, and this is very bad because everybody normally have a broken lips. I just decided to continue because I normally make this soap and cream for me and my family every Harmattan season to keep my skin smooth and shining, because December is fast approaching. Everybody have to shine this Xmas. So I've been making this soap and my neighbors are already buying it. They are purchasing it each time and they confirm that it's very good for rashes. This soap that I'm showing you here is very good for rashes, for pimples, for sunburn, for anything dark spot, or anything that is eczema, ringworm. This soap, use this soap and you will testify it. I'm telling you the truth, because I've used it on my kids, I've used it on myself, because my kids normally have heat rash, or you can use it in diaper rashes. How you can use this soap is by
make sure that your skin is hidden. When rocking that your beautiful clothes, make sure that your skin is hidden.
And
you leave it there for some
minutes,
quantity, for like 5
rub
minutes,
it on your
before
face.
taking your
This is me
or before washing your face or your hand, any part of the body that is affected. So make sure you rub it
on your
after rubbing
face,
it, you are going to give me
that affected area.
Me also,
this is not face cream.
My kids also,
face soap
got
is
their glowing skin
for body.
So make sure
this is soap, black soap is for body. You can use it to wash your body. Just when you enter inside the bedroom, just take it, wet your skin, then apply the soap on your the whole of your skin, like stay like 5 minutes there, then allow it to dry on your body. Then you can apply a little quantity on your sponge or your towel, your bathing towel, then use it to scrub your body. Leave the foam a little while. It won't be long, it will dry. Then you now
moist your body. So this is the cream that I normally rub on Harmattan season. During Harmattan season, you can use anything to make it up on. I'm just giving you the little low budget recipe of how I'm making it. It's very good for my skin and for my kids' skin. It doesn't bleed. This thing is not a lighted oil or mulatto's cream. This thing is not it. This is just a simple recipe. Like Vaseline, I use Vaseline. You can use blue seed Vaseline. I use olive oil. I add another baby oil because I need my skin to be smooth and very soft or hydrated. Then I added anti-pimple balls. I added turmeric powder. I added olive oil. I added preservative so it won't get spoiled quick. Then I added neem powder also. I added fragrance to it. Guys, this simple recipe is what I use in mixing this cream together. Why I'm mixing it? Because I prefer my own raw, because if I rub it, I prefer seeing the particle on my body. But you can after making your Vaseline and mixing all of it, you can also use your sieve or even white linen cloth to sieve it, to extract the batter or the cream batter. You can use it to extract it. Use it and rub on your baby's skin. You can see, or rub it on that people's face also. Be applying it here. Be applying it steady. My dear, you're going to see results before 7 days. My face is very spotless. My kids' body are very smooth because I don't have money to purchase all those expensive products here in Nigeria. This one is honey, pure honey. So I have to use it to make even the soap I added. Don't look as fancy. You can see the soap outside because I've been selling it. So this one is just the small quantity remaining. So people are buying it. You can still make your own order also for the soap. For the soap, tested and trusted. I can't say for the cream because I'm using myself to experiment before bringing it out and before adding more value to it, before breaking it out. But if you see that soap is tested and trusted. Like, no go coming back. When you use soap, you will testify that black soap is giving natural, everything is natural, nothing like chemical or any organic coating, all those, nothing like it. So this is my own combination. The cream that I mix for myself with the soap. So I have a very, very smooth, rendered skin. Look at my knuckles. You won't see anything dark knuckles on my knuckles. You won't see it. Look at my face. Look at my kid's face. Very smooth. Bye.